Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to the Daily Current Affairs. Today, as of 17th of June, it is a World Day to combat desertification and land rot. Theme is restoration, land recovery. We build better back with healthy land. And this day is for restoration of degraded land and to create and raise awareness on regarding prevention of the desertification of the soil. Next one. The Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella has appointed as the Microsoft chairman. He became CEO in 2014 year. The former chairman is John Thompson. Next one. Dr. Patrick Amoth of Kenya appointed as the chairman of the World Health Organization Executive Board. He is the acting director general for Health Ministry of Health of Kenya. And the chairman of the WHO Executive Board is revised every year. In the recent 149th session of the Executive Board, the Patrick Amoth as appointed as the chairman of WHO Executive Board, and the former chairman is Dr. Harshvardhan, who is the Health Minister of Government of India, and he will be continued as a member until 2023. And the Kenya capital is Nairobi. Currency is Kenyan shilling. The president of Kenya is Uhuru Kenyatta. Next one. Madhya Pradesh has launched Yuva Shakti Corona Mukti Abhiyan. It is an initiative to make awareness on the COVID-19 and the vaccination process going on to everyone with the help of the Youth Power campaign. Here, the Madhya Pradesh capital is Bhopal, and the governor is Anandiben Patel. CM is Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Here, Anandiben Patel is serving as an governor of Madhya Pradesh and also to the Uttar Pradesh. Next one. ICICI Bank announced the launch of ICICI Stack for corporates. It offers digital banking solutions for corporates and their entire ecosystem. For an ecosystem which includes the promoters, group companies, employees, and all the stakeholders. And ICICI Bank aims to prefer the banking partner for companies and their entire ecosystem. By this, the companies may choose the ICICI Bank where all the transaction digital banking solutions can be solved at one place. And MD and CEO of ICICI Bank is Sandeep Bakshi, and the headquarters is at Mumbai. And the tagline of ICICI Bank is Hum Hai Na Khayal Aapka. Next one. The Ministry of Tribal Affairs launched the Sankalp Se Siddhi Mission 1 Dhan Tribal Livelihood Initiatives. The Ministry of Tribal Affairs is under Arjun Munda, and this initiative is launched to promote the local products all over the country, which is made by the tribal people, and it also offers a new job opportunities for the youth, and they also start their own businesses. Next one. Swastik, a new technology for disinfecting water launched by the CSIR National Chemical Laboratory. This technology is used to disinfect water by using natural oils and it is done under the guidance of scientist Dr. Vinay M. Bandari. Here, CSIR stands for Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, and this is launched with the help of the Department of Science and Technology. The Department of Science and Technology is under Harshvardhan. Next one, a consignment of fiber and mineral-rich Jelgam banana was exported to Dubai. This banana is a GI certified agriculture product from Maharashtra Jelgam district. GI means geographical indication. This GI tag is issued by the Department of Industry Promotion and Internal Trade, which is under Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Yesterday we have seen the mango, which is also a certified GI certified tag. Jardalu mango was exported from Bihar to UK. Now this banana is exported from Maharashtra Jelgam district to Dubai. Next one. National Geo magazine named the Southern Ocean as the fifth largest ocean in the world. Here the other four oceans are Atlantic, Indian, Pacific and the Arctic Ocean, where the Southern Ocean is the only ocean which is surrounded with only the three other oceans, whereas the other three oceans are Pacific, Atlantic and the Indian Ocean. The Southern Ocean is surrounded with these three oceans. Next one. India had ranked at the 14th position in the World Giving Index 2021, which is published by the Charities Aid Foundation. Among, among the 114 countries, India stands 14th place. And the top countries of this index are Indonesia, Kenya, Nigeria, Myanmar, and Australia. These five countries stands in the top 5 places. Next one. ICC, International Cricket Council, has signed up a stockbrokering firm Upstocks as its official partner. The chairman of ICC is Greg Barclay and headquarters is at Dubai. Yesterday we have seen that Vinod Mankad included in the special edition list of ICC Hall of Fame, which is to remember the test history. Thank you everyone. Stay safe, stay strong.